Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to create a sales funnel on Ontraport. To begin, sign up for an account on the Ontraport website by using the link in the description box. To get started with creating a sales funnel on Ontraport, first, you'll create an account if you haven't already. Let's start by adding your products. Inside Ontraport, navigate to the Sales menu at the top, then scroll down to Products. Click on Add New Product. Fill in the product details like the name, price, and any optional information. Click Save once done. Now, let's upload the product file. Go to your profile image at the top corner, select Administration, then File Manager. Upload your product file, such as a PDF for an ebook. Next, integrate the product into your sales page. Once you have your page ready, navigate to it and click Add Edit Product. Choose your product from the list and click Done. Publish your sales page and you're set to go. Remember, you can customize your page using Ontraport's templates to match your brand. Now, onto automation. Before we dive in, let's create an email that delivers your product to customers. In the Contacts menu, select Messages, then click New Message. Choose Raw HTML email. Fill in the necessary details and create a simple email with the product download link. Make sure to test the email before saving it. Now, let's build the automation. Under the Contacts menu, select Automation. Click New Automation and give it a name. The first step is to add a trigger. Choose Contact Submits a Form and select the form related to your product purchase. Then, add the action to send the email we just created. Depending on your business, you may want to add further actions like upselling or notifying yourself of a sale. You can customize the automation according to your needs. Once your automation is set, test it out by filling out the purchase form as a customer. Check if you received the product email and the notification email as expected. That's it. Your sales funnel on Ontraport is ready to automate your product sales. Remember, you can use the link in the description box to try Ontraport. Thank you for watching.